Imagine a world where the principles of justice depend on the moral or intrinsic worth of the ends that rights serve. What happens when people hold different ideas and conceptions of what is good? It's a complex question, one that forms the crux of a heated debate. Should same-sex marriage be legal? Can we settle the matter without discussing the moral permissibility of homosexuality or the purpose of marriage? Consider, for instance, the case of Singapore. Just recently, Singapore's parliament decriminalized sex between men. It was an important step forward, but it came with a caveat. The constitution was amended to prevent court challenges that could lead to the legalization of same-sex marriage. This move disappointed many, as it means citizens cannot legally challenge issues related to marriage and family. It's a complex situation, one that reflects the country's evolving attitudes towards LGBT issues. Then there's Japan, a country that has made strides in recognizing same-sex partnerships. A Japanese court has ruled that not allowing same-sex couples to marry is unconstitutional. It's a symbolic victory, but a new law will be needed before same-sex marriages can take place. Under current rules in Japan, same-sex couples are not allowed to legally marry, inherit their partner's assets, or have parental rights over their partner's children. But what about India? Where does it stand on the issue of same-sex marriage? 4 gay couples in India have filed petitions with the Supreme Court to recognize same-sex marriages. They're challenging the government's refusal to legalize such marriages. Despite the decriminalization of homosexuality in 2018, the LGBT community still faces discrimination and a lack of acceptance. The petitions have sparked a debate about whether India should join the roughly 36 countries where same-sex marriages are legal. It's a test for the government, which has opposed same-sex marriages in the past. The Supreme Court has given the government until early January to respond. In conclusion, the issue of same-sex marriage is a complex one, fraught with legal and societal complexities. The cases of Singapore, Japan, and India illustrate this complexity. It's a question of morality and justice, and it's a question that we must continue to explore and debate.